Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to add extensions in Vivaldi browser. So right here in the Vivaldi browser, we're going to just simply go over and search for Chrome extensions. This will bring up results. You just want to go ahead and select Chrome Web Store. So currently we're on the Chrome Web Store and we can search for any extension. So right here we have the Wikipedia search, and because we're on Vivaldi, you can see add to Vivaldi. Of course, if we were on Chrome, you would see add to Chrome, but because we're browsing from the Vivaldi browser, it automatically detects Vivaldi as the main browser. So we can simply say add to Vivaldi, add extension to confirm, and now we can see remove Vivaldi, and this is because the Wikipedia search extension has been installed in the Vivaldi browser. What you might not have noticed is now we have the Wikipedia search extension at the top right corner. Before this wasn't there, and now when we hover over it, we can see Wikipedia search. We can go ahead and search for another extension. We can click on this one and add to Vivaldi. And you also have the add extension confirmation. And now we also have it installed. When we go over to where extensions usually are located, we can see the Wikipedia search, and we also have the Browse Sec VPN. When we click on it, we have the option to accept as a start, and then we can click on Start VPN. So this is how to add extensions in the Vivaldi browser.